Welcome to today's daily message. This is week 2 of the season of Lent. And as I did last week, I'm going to offer for our reflection and meditation the work that comes to us from Creighton University. And I'm going to not say much during these weeks and let the prayers and readings and reflections and meditations kind of speak for themselves. The only point I'd like to make about the reflection for today is about compassion and forgiveness. The meditation says, Lord, do not deal with us as our sins deserve. Certainly, God does not deal with us as our sins deserve. God extends his mercy to us. And there's a lesson in that for us. When we are hurt, our first impulse often is to seek revenge, to want to even the score. But we're asked to replicate God's mercy for us in the way that we deal with one another. We are asked to extend mercy and forgiveness to those who have hurt us, just as God has extended mercy to us. Thank you so much for watching today.